Trying a lot to enter Roblox to play games, but the goddamn machine tells you that Roblox Game Client has stopped working? You've got some time for playing, and the machine and Roblox blocking you out? Too much annoying. Even being a tech guy for longer than you think couldn't help me avoid this tiny problem. So, why does your Roblox Game Client is not responding? Your Roblox game is not responding because there might be some other programs in the background that constantly stop you from entering your Roblox. Whenever you play a Roblox game, your PC, tablet, or game console becomes a client. And this could be happening with any of these clients. Now you have to know which background application can be responsible for stopping you from entering Roblox. Finding this will be easy enough to solve your problem. I will give a step-by-step process. Follow this and solve this problem. When you play a Roblox game, the device you're playing with, say PC, tablet, or game console, becomes a client. Other players in the game are also called clients. Roblox started its journey officially in 2016, but it wasn't that popular those days. But from 2020, it has been seen that The New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, writing about this Roblox. So, why is Roblox popular? Roblox is popular because it is an online platform where users can go and play games free of cost made by other developers. And these developers are the users, not the Roblox Corporation. Users find fun both playing and creating games, and that's why Roblox is now at its peak in popularity. But sometimes, people worldwide face this problem of the game client not responding. To solve this problem, follow the steps. Number 1. Restart your computer. When Roblox suddenly stops working, one of the simplest but most effective steps is restarting your computer. It might sound basic, but this action does far more than just turning it off and on again. Restarting clears temporary data stored in your system's RAM, the short-term memory that programs use while they're running. Over time, that memory can get cluttered with small leftover processes from old apps, including Roblox, web browsers, or even background updaters. These leftover bits can cause conflicts, leading Roblox's game client to freeze or stop responding. A restart resets every active background process and driver. This gives your operating system a clean slate, allowing Roblox to start fresh without interference. Sometimes, certain Windows services or update processes run silently in the background, consuming system resources and preventing Roblox from properly connecting to its servers. A restart ends all of them at once. Another overlooked factor is memory usage. If your computer has been running for a long time without rebooting, programs might slowly drain your available memory, even when they're closed. This can cause the Roblox client to crash or fail to load assets in the game. Restarting frees up this memory and ensures Roblox can access the resources it needs. Restarting also triggers hardware reinitialization, meaning your graphics card, network adapter, and sound drivers get a fresh start. If your game client crash was related to a GPU driver glitch or unstable network connection, rebooting will likely fix it temporarily. In short, restarting isn't just a habit, it's a practical diagnostic step. It clears memory, refreshes your system, and helps rule out simple software conflicts before moving on to deeper troubleshooting steps. Many Roblox errors disappear immediately after a clean reboot. Number 2. Uninstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your device. To do so, you have to follow different steps on different OS. For uninstalling Roblox from Windows 10, you have to press Windows key plus S, type apps and features in the search box and right-click when it pops up. Scroll down till you find Roblox. Tap into Roblox and press uninstall. For uninstalling Roblox from Windows 7, 8, or 8.1, you have to go to the Start menu and type Programs and Features. Click on Programs and Features. If you found Apps and Features instead, click on that. Scroll down until you see Roblox. Tap into it and uninstall it. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then download Roblox from your Microsoft Store and reinstall it. Number 3. Open Roblox Player and close the program. When you open Roblox and the message Roblox Game Client has stopped working appears, it means the program tried to launch but failed during the initialization phase. This step opening Roblox and allowing it to crash might sound strange, but it provides useful insight into what's going wrong inside your system. When Roblox starts, the player loads multiple layers: the launcher, the rendering engine, network services, and user data from your cache. If any of these layers fail to communicate properly, Windows interprets it as a crash and shuts down the program. By opening Roblox, you're testing whether the issue occurs immediately or only after loading assets or connecting to a server. That difference helps identify if the problem lies in your local files, network connection, or memory usage. When the crash happens, you'll usually see two options: check online for a solution and close the program, or close the program. Choosing to close it is the better move here. It ensures the broken process ends fully instead of looping in the background. This prevents corrupted memory states that could interfere with the next launch. Behind the scenes, Windows writes a short error log, known as a crash dump, every time this happens. Those logs can help track which file or process triggered the failure. Often, the root cause is a damaged Roblox cache file, outdated DirectX or graphics drivers, or interference from other software. Closing the program properly clears temporary resources, and the next restart of Roblox will attempt to rebuild necessary files automatically. This step doesn't fix the issue by itself, but helps reset the Roblox process completely. It's like forcing the system to let go of the broken session so the next launch can start clean, without leftover conflicts from the previous crash. Number 4, check your antivirus and disable it. Antivirus programs often interfere with Roblox without meaning to. They constantly monitor files, network connections, and background processes, and sometimes treat Roblox's activity as suspicious. When that happens, the antivirus silently blocks certain files or connections that Roblox needs to start or stay connected to its servers. This problem usually appears after an update. Either Roblox updates its client, or the antivirus updates its threat database. The antivirus might suddenly see Roblox's executable files or temporary cache as unsafe, cutting them off mid-launch. From the user's side, it just looks like Roblox froze or crashed with the message, "Game Client has stopped working." Real-time protection is the main reason behind this. It's the part of the antivirus that constantly scans programs as they open and checks their online behavior. Roblox relies on continuous communication with its servers to load textures, maps, and player data, which looks like unusual network activity to certain antiviruses. The result: blocked connections or failed launches. Another common source of trouble is the firewall built into the antivirus. Firewalls decide which programs can send or receive data through the internet. If Roblox's connection ports get restricted, the game can't properly sync with servers. That's why some players notice that Roblox runs fine offline or in studio mode, but crashes when joining an online game. When antivirus protection conflicts with Roblox, the best long-term solution is not removing the antivirus, but adjusting its behavior. Updating the antivirus regularly helps it recognize Roblox as safe. Adding Roblox's files to the allowed or trusted list prevents future false detections. In most cases, once this trust is established, Roblox launches normally again and stays stable. Number 5. Open Roblox Player. Again, after clearing potential issues and restarting your system, opening Roblox again helps confirm whether the client can now start cleanly. This step isn't just about running the game. It's a way to test whether the fixes you've made worked and if your device is communicating properly with Roblox's servers. When Roblox Player launches, it checks several things at once: your internet connection, available system resources, and the integrity of its own files. If everything is working as expected, it connects to the Roblox servers, loads your user data, and begins streaming the game environment in real time. This successful launch means the earlier crash was likely caused by temporary conflicts, memory overload, antivirus interference, or corrupted cache files that have now been resolved. If Roblox starts normally, it's also a good sign that your drivers and network configuration are stable. The client depends on your GPU for rendering and your network adapter for server connection. When both respond smoothly, Roblox runs without interruptions. In essence, reopening Roblox after troubleshooting is the final check. It confirms your system is ready, your connection stable, and the Roblox client back to functioning the way it should. Responsive, connected, and ready for gameplay.